Okay mga idol, umpisa na ang laban mga idol. UBL Emir RA Developmental League Season 5, the finals. Coach D Hinabi from Malaybalay City versus CGL Warriors from Maramag Bukidnon. Here we go, the finals. Today, bakbakan na mga idol, 10 under division. Dito po ito sa Malaybalay City. Okay mga idol, bakbakan na. Umpisahan na ang laban.
Enjoy. Enjoy lang ka, enjoy.
Paga ng technical delaying the game yung kalaban, Coach D Hinabi. Kaya may free throw si De La Cruz. Okay, bakbakan na mga idol. Airball, balls position by CGL Warriors. Balls position by Coach D Hinabi. Foul jersey number 35. Traveling. Balls position by CGL. Jersey number 18, Palos. Shot by De La Cruz. Back-to-back shot by De La Cruz. Time out muna si Coach Hinabi, Coach Darwin Hinabi. Score natin 6-0 for the first quarter. Okay, time to the time out. Back to the ball game. Saluay ay drives on the floor, but Abilia save the ball by Casuno. Wala pa rin. Joshua for the rebound. Casuno dives on the floor. Ball's position by Kinos. Ball's position by Kinos again. It's a foul by jersey number 4, Avila. First charity throw of jersey number 13 is good. Traveling, sayang. Jersey number 13 for the floater. Wala pa rin. Palos for the rebound. It's a jumble. Ball's position by Kinos. Score natin mga idol, 6 against 4. CGL Titans. Ball's position by CGL Warriors. Time remaining 3 minutes and 25. The score is 6 against 4. Position by Kinos. Jumble. Time remaining 2 minutes and 21. Tabla po tayo mga idol. Oh, mga idol mo na yung mga supportive parents na mo. Nadareo. Oh. Upload na sa mga YouTube. Casuno! Wala! Alnar for the rebound. Dangerous pass. Ball's position by Kinos. Naglang, wala pa rin. Wala pa rin, ayaw talaga pumasok. It's a jumble. Ball's position by Kinos. Alhar. 3 seconds sa tinawag ng referee. Pabiling ang tinawag ng referee.
May isang
by jersey number 13. Time remaining 1 minute and 21 seconds. The score is tie 6 all. First charity throw of Mr. Casono is good. Last throw of Casono is good again. Alhar on the drive. Ball's position by Kinos. Three seconds ang tawag ng referee. Time remaining 1 minute and 2. The score is 8-6. CGL Warriors lead. Sa foul. Time remaining 32.8. The score is tie. Sa foul by Noah. Time remaining 11.0. CGL Titans led. Okay, that's the end of the first quarter. 14 against 8. CGL Warriors led by 2 points. Okay, second quarter mga idol. Pamero. Baranggan to Pamero. Pamero titira ng dos. Baranggan is there. Agawa ng buko sa ilalim. Batter sa jumbo. Ball's position by Kinos. Pamero. Alibio. GR Alibio. Papunta kay... Ay, sobrang lakas ang pasa ni Jazz kay Eman. Kyrie. Ball, ball's position by CGL Warriors. Soban. Alibio to Eman. Eman to Baranggan. Baranggan to Alibio. Short. Baranggan is there for the putback. But there's a foul. Pamero on the drive. Whoa! What a shot by Pamero. Nahuli. Pamero again. Back-to-back shot by Pamero. Out muna si Coach D. Hinabe. Magbabalik po tayo after this timeout. Score natin mga idol, 14-8. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 52 for the second quarter. Okay, time for the timeout. Back to the ball game. It's a jump ball violation. play na yon, sayang, di pumasok. Last throw, Barangan. It's good. Okay, balls position by Kenos. Sayang, GR di pumasok, tira ni GR. Kyrie Hinabe, behind the back. Steal by Pamero. Barangan floater. Balls position by CJL Warriors. Foul by jersey number 12. Last throw, Plosero. It's good. Uli. Malibyo. Everybody down on the floor. Agawa ng buko sa ilalim. Barangan. Tumiman. Tira ng dos. Malakas. Barangan. Bang! Sayang. Idol. 15-8. Start of Barangan is good.
Wala. Oh, triple. Dito lang.
Grabe dipinsa ng bawat team. Hinabe.
Ay, wala. Nalibawan na lang.
Double dribble, sayang. Hinabe, nagmamadali si Kyrie, supalpal. Agawan ng buko sa ilalim. Everybody down on the floor. Wow! What a shot by Sobsoban! Ganda ng assist ni Skyler Barangan. So foul by jersey number 2. I'm remaining 3 minutes and 39. The score is 8-8. Lead by CJL Warriors. What a shot by Pamiro! Mga idol, 28. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 9 seconds. Nabiling ang tawag ng referee. Grabe depensa ni Tonton Pamiro. Substitution trip. Pasok na si Zip. Labas mo na si Alivio. Inabe, extra pass to jersey number 12, short. Skylar Barangan for the rebound. Ball's position by Kenos. Saksak sa ilalim. First charity throw of jersey number 28 is miss. Last throw. Back of jersey number 9 to jersey number 23, Umarano. Mula kay Tonton Pamero. The line violation. Time remaining 1 minute and 43. The score is 28. Hinabe, first charity throw is miss. Grabe lang tinawag ng referee. .29, 1 minute and 23 seconds. Time remaining 53 seconds. Point 4. The score is 20-11. Last throw Pamero. It's good. Score 21-11. Time remaining 35 seconds. Point 1. First territory Hinabe, hindi pumasok. Time remaining 2.4. Scores 21-12. That's the end of the second quarter. Score 21-12. CGL Titans lead by 9 points. Kamu dah, kaway-kaway para makita mo sa YouTube channel. Oh. Kaway-kaway mga parents. Oh, mga parents, mga idol, mga supportive kayo ni. Kaway-kaway. Third quarter. Pamero Asono on the drive. It's a foul by 0-1. De La Cruz. Wow, what a shot by Inabe off the glass. Still na ni Kyrie. Barangan is there. Salo ay. Over Johnson, extra pass to De La Cruz. Sobrang lakas. Pamero, titira ng dos. Wala pa rin. De La Cruz, titira ng dos. Malakas pa rin. Kyrie Hinabe, pick up the ball. Bring the ball to the downtown. Steal by De La Cruz. Casono to Barangan, sidestep using the board. Oh my goodness! What a shot by Barangan. Timeout muna si Coach Darwin Hinabe. And mga idol, 29-14 for the third quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Pinos basketball. Rasona on the drive, lost the ball, steal by Barangan. Wow, what a shot by Barangan. It's a foul by Barangan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 42. The score is 31-14. One a shot by jersey number 22, De La Cruz. Papunta kay Pamero, nagmamadali. Block by jersey number 12. Casono for the putback, wala pa rin. Wow, what a pass by Casono. Pag di pumasok. Ball's position by Kenos. 4 minutes and 9. Score is 31-16. Alahar, the star player, Alahar. Steal by Casono. Barangan on the finish. Oh my my goodness, what a shot by Baranga. Kyrie lost the ball. Alahar. Kyrie Hinabi on the drives behind the back. Fake. Titira ng dos. But there's a foul by Pamero. Hinabi first charity throw. Lumabas. Alahar intercept by Alahar. Lost ball, both position by CJL Titans. What a shot by Andre Abella. Kyrie. But there's a foul by Famero. 35-19. Alahar. Please, ikat sa tinawag ng referee. G! Time remaining 1 minute and 23. Sinumama yung siko niya sa semento. Lahab. Score natin 37-24. CGL lead. Six seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time for the third quarter. Official score 37-24, 13 points lead by CGL Warriors. Okay, final quarter. Jersey number 6 to Alahab. Euro step, use the board. Oh my goodness, what a shot. Kaya! Kaya, Sky! Kaya! Yan! Barangan to De La Cruz. Ibinalik. Close the ball. Hinabi for the rebound. Idol 37-28 for the final quarter. Hinabi bonus throw. Score mga idol, 39-28, 5 minutes and 47. Alahar po na ba? 5 seconds sa tinawag na referee. Close the ball. De La Cruz. Balas talaga. Galing mo, Skyler Barangan. muna si Coach Darwin Hinabi. Score natin 41-30. 11 points lead lang po. Kalamangan na si Jill. .30, 4 minutes and 10. Gawas! Kaya, Skull! Kaya! Oh, grabe! Saya nga! Grabe. Pamero, spin. Wala pa rin. Titira ng dos. Ay, sayang. Time remaining, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. The score is 41-30. Labi, tuloy-tuloy. Mahina. Pamero. It's a line violation. 2 minutes and 41 for the final quarter. Bang! What a shot by Pamero. Minutes na lang natin tirang oras. 11 points ang kalamangan. Baranga, titira ng dos. Wow! What a shot by Baranga. Johnson for the finish. Wow! What a shot by Johnson. Time remaining. 1 minute and 44 for the final quarter. Malayo-layo na si Jill Titans. Time remaining 1 minute and 30. Remaining time, last 45 seconds. For the final quarter, 49-32. Time out muna si Coach Darwin Hinabi for the final quarter. Bang! 3! Tagbals for the rebound! Congratulations, Team CGL Titans 10 under. We are the champion of Season 5 UBL MBRE Developmental League Kasisang Balay-Balay. First place, Dinos. Wala mong komisyoner, oh, mga idol.
Okay, may Captain Bell. Oy, Captain Bell. Harry. Galing.
Champion! 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 Nakuha na isa! Uy! Yay!
Hey, 1, 2, Digino!
Vertical 5. Vertical 5. Kasuno, kasuno. Oh.
Barangay Casuno de la Cruz. De la Cruz. Ang ato na yung MVP, wala yung
Wow!
Camilo.
Wow! MVP! Grabe, MVP stunton mga idol! MVP! Best player!
Sila sa iyo na.
Oh, biscuit, biscuit.
Yay! Biscuits!
Okay, salamat kayo mga bata. Thank you kayo. Yun na anong siya.
Grabe! This... Yon mga idol! Abangan nyo mamaya mga idol yung susunod naming video mga idol ha.
Balik na.